This is PSLE homework booklet 1, exercise 1. Here's page 1 of the exercise 1. 5 questions. You can check your answers first. If you are getting them right, then congratulations. You probably do not need to watch till the end of this video. But I strongly recommend you take a look at some of the strategies and methods towards getting the solutions. Okay. Right, so for those of us who are keen, we are looking at the question. I'm primarily going to focus on the strategies to answering the questions. The first one on whole numbers, we are looking at writing in decimals. That's the first clue. And when we see that, that's the first part when you're annotating a question, recognizing the clues for decimals, as we've learned the strategy for counting in millions. Space, comma, space, 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 comma, space, 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 and that's for the whole number part. So up to this point is whole number, meaning this is millions, hundred thousands, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. So up to this point is the whole number part. And then you have the decimal point. Here comes the fractional part of the decimal. So you have space, 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 up to the thousands place. Then you have the hundredths place and the tenths place. So in this case, you have 5/10ths, 6,000ths, 300ths. So place value concept. The next question on rounding, the question states, round to the nearest thousand. So when it says to the nearest thousand, the first thing I will remember is I have the thousands place, which is here, and then followed by 3 zeros at the back. So the nearest thousand, I mean I will have a 3 0 at the back. So you'll notice that in your answer, definitely there will be 3 zeros at the back. Then the decision comes to deciding how to round. I have this number. I will look at the thousands place, which is here, next door, to decide whether I round up or round down. So I'll be looking at, this is the thousands place, and I look at the number next door to decide whether I'm rounding up or rounding down. So the front of it is not changing. I have 4,740 something thousand. So I look at the next door is 5 or more, you round up. So from 745,000 becomes 746,000. Okay, let me write that meter. Okay, so this is millions, 100,000, 10,000, thousands. Okay, next one. Fractions. Division of fraction. Keep, change, flip. Keep the first number. Change, divide into times. Flip 2/5 into 5/2. I can simplify. So I'll get 10 times 5, 50. Question number 4, algebra. I'll group the identities of the expression together. So in this case, I will put 5p plus 11 minus 3p minus 8 into 5p minus 3p plus 11 minus 8. So 5p minus 3p is 2p. 11 minus 8 is 3, so 2p plus 3. Question number 5 is a geometry question. ABD is an isosceles triangle. I mean, you're looking at, previously we talked about this character called the isosceles triangle. So by looking at this, we recall that these two angles are identical. So to find angle DBA, or in other words ABD here, is equals to 180 degrees minus 36 degrees divided by 2, which is 144 degrees divided by 2, which will be 72. Then I have to use another property called sum of angles on the straight line to find B. So angle B, sum of angles on a straight line, 180 degrees minus 72 degrees, they will give me 108 degrees. Please do your calculations at the side to be sure. Okay, so these are the worked out solutions for exercise 1, page 1, PSLE booklet 1, homework booklet 1.